Mr. President, wake up!
What the fuck do you want?
Bro, it's already 10 a.m., bro. What are you talking about? We gotta go, bro.
Okay. Where the fuck are we, bro? Mr. Cricks! Where are we now?
I have no clue.
Where you built a machine, you built a Chernobyl build.
I don't know, I just work here.
Okay, then let's go explore. Dora the Explorer.
Yo, I think we gotta jump down there. Come on. Mr. President, I see something. We gotta go there.
What the fuck?
Then you
This is
use
a
Spider-Man
fucking
skill.
sewer pipe water working bomb of...
Oh my god, it's a bomb! Mr. President, are you okay?
Why we need to go, bro? We need to go there walking bombs.
This is too scary.
Suck it up.
Oh, I think we need to go up here. I think we need to go up here.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I see another pipe. I see another pipe down here.
Yo. Okay. So, Mr. President, where do we have to go next?
Where's Mr. Cricks?
Mr. President, there's another pipe down there. Mr. President, there's another pipe down there.
Cricks! Where's Cricks? Where's he at?
Mr. Cricks!
Yes?
Where are you?
What the
Come
fuck?
down.
Yeah, sorry, I slipped on a banana peel.
How do you slip on a banana peel? Okay, we gotta go in here, I think.
Why is this green? Mr. Cricks, why this color like you?
That's racist.
Ah!
Ow.
Oh, my legs, bro, the impact.
Oh, it looks like the same place, except different. The same thing, except different. Beta. What the fuck's that, Beta? What the fuck?
Why do I hear
Come on, we
ghost
need to
lady?
go.
It's right here.
Whoa, what is this green sewage or what the hell is this?
Oh no.
Oh, Mr. President!
Mr.
Duck and cover!
President!
What the fuck? What in the bombos?
Mr. President, I'm
Who is
scared.
that? Who is that over there?
Put the crystal down.
Somebody over there. I found something. What are you? Who are you?
Hello, sir. Who are you? Oh my god, run! Mr. President, run! Jump down! Oh my god! Ah!
Wait, guys. If we don't have legs, does that mean every time we fall, we land on our balls?
Oh, that must explain why my testicles are purple.
You don't have testicles, Mr. President.
Oh man. What is this red things? Can someone demonstrate it?
This reminds me of the state of Oklahoma.
Yo, D-World, I'll give you 20 bucks. I'll give you 20 bucks if you touch one of those strings.
Hey, Mr. President, I think I might have an answer to this.
Touch the strings and I'll give you 20 bucks.
We'll
Yo,
give you
Mr. President, I might have an explanation to this. Cricks presented this
They
to me
didn't
one
do
time.
nothing.
Mr.
Okay,
Cricks said
come on,
that
let's
this is...
keep going then.
Yo, Mr. Cricks said that this is what he calls Project I.
Yeah,
When you touch the strings, apparently an eye comes out and then it just shoots
Yo,
at you.
D-World, I'll give you 20 bucks to touch that string thing. I'll give you 20 bucks. What you looking at?
Oh,
That's
guys, he's dead!
Shit! What
That's what I say. That's what I call Project R.
Run!
We need to escape.
Dead. Run! I mean,
We
don't.
must go carefully.
Don't
Mr.
touch the
President, be
red stuff,
careful.
it hurts you.
Yeah.
It burns.
Mr. President, please be careful.
Where's the exit point?
I don't know, but follow me.
It's not down here.
Ah,
Mr. President, are you okay?
who the fuck died?
Someone died.
Okay, but we gotta find the exit.
Mr. President, are you okay?
I found the exit.
Found the exit.
I found the exit.
Where is it?
It's here.
Ow.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Kelly,
Yes?
I think they. Oh, he's alive.
go to the exit. We must escape this place.
This
place is
too
a nightmare.
spooky.
Okay, what are these weird ass places, bro? Chris, what the hell is... Chris,
I
what
think
in that? What in
they're-
that? What in that goddamn...
Oh,
Chris,
these
you played in
are.
another dimension, some weird
No,
ass
this
places with
reminds
balls.
me. This reminds me of the time where I was stuck.
I found the exit, Mr. President. Mr. President. Mr. President, I found the
Oh,
exit.
that's the exit. Hey guys, come on! What?
Mr. Cricks?
Hello?
Let's just leave them. I think they died. Go! Go, Mr. President.
I think everybody else died. Come
It's
on,
only me and you.
press the button.
Run! Run! Go! Mr. President! Mr. President!
You alive?
All right. Come on! We made it.
We made it back?